Good morning, students. This is Mr. Titus, and from Salem classes, as per the teacher of DCS International School and also PG College. So, today we are going to discuss that the tale of Custard the Dragon. So, this is for 10th class. This is a long poem, and this is also something like a tale. So, it is written by Ogden Nash. Okay, so Ogden Nash. So in this poem, we are going to look about a dragon. Okay, how the dragon was always being insulted that he is a coward. Okay, he is so fearfulness. But when there is a time, he comes and he has done his bravery. So let's begin. If newly anyone is watching this video, so please subscribe and hit the bell icon at the same time, and you share it to your friends also. The Tale of Costa the Dragon is a funny poem that tells the story of a little girl, Belinda, and her pets. Belinda lived with her little pets, a kitten, a mouse, a dog, and a dragon in her little house. Belinda and all her pets, except the dragon, have been described as very uh, brave creature. But the dragon is so coward that it is always looking for the safety of a cage. So all animals are there, like kitten, mouse, dog, dragon, but all the animals they have been described just like a frog. Okay, they don't fear to anybody, and they don't know that they don't think about anybody. So they are so proud, and they can fight and they can do everything according to the idea of Belinda. So Belinda, here is the main character of Belinda. Belinda is a girl, one who pets some animals. Okay, that I had to tell you the name of the animals. This is the story of Belinda, who has some strange pets. A strange pets means you can see that rat we never or the mouse we never pet or we never tame that. And it is true that a cat or kitten and a dog we may pet it, we may adopt it as per the pet animal, but it is something different to adopt dragon or mouse as per pet animals. So somehow Belinda adopted them as per her pet animals. So also she named in a different way. Suppose we have a dog. At the same time, we can say it Rocky, Vicky, Johnson, etc. And suppose we have a cat, so we also give a different name to it. Like the same way, this in this poem, the girl Belinda also called some different names to her pet animals. So what she tells or what she calls the name of her animals, let us look. She calls the black kitten ink, the little gray mouse as a blink, the yellow dog as a mustard, and the cowardly dragon custard. So these were the name of the animals. Belinda's kitten, mouse, and dog were very proud, but the dragon was a coward. Okay, so rest of animals dragon, except dragon, So rest of animals were very, brave, and at any time they show that they can fight to anybody, and they can harm to anybody. But here we can see the dragon. Even it is a dangerous animal, na, in the world. We may see that from the mouth of the dragon there is a flame, and its lash also, its tail is also very long. If it lashes to somebody, who would have, he would jump from here to there. So, like the same way, it is even very, strength animal. Also, it is fearing, and it is always looking a safety place in its case. So one day, a pirate came armed with pistol and into their house. Except the dragon custard, all the other were terrified of the pirate. Pirate means it is something, somebody came, the pirate especially, that a pirate. So it came there for robbing, and it has two pistol and one blade on its mouth, and the right hand there is pistol, and the left hand there is pistol, and like gun. So when other animal looked, okay, when other animal looked, so they terrified, they terrified, and they feared. Okay, they feared. So when they feared, so they run away from here to there. Okay, they run away from here to there. Only the custard dragon was there, one who could, fight with the pirate, and victory over to the pirate. So it was something very amazing thing. The animal which is always fearing to other, and the animal which is always, you know, that it is hiding himself or itself to a safety place. But when the dangers come, and he come out from from its cage, and he and made a noise just like a machine. Okay, just like a machine, and also he jumped upon the pirate, and began to fight with him, and in that way, he got victory over it. And when all the things seen by the other animals and Belinda, and they thought something different, and they laughed, and they cared. Okay, so that was something very interesting work. Now you can see that the pirate come armed with pistol into their house, except the dragon and the custard. All other were terrified of a pirate. So custard attacked the pirate, and they gave him up. Belinda then embraced him, while Mustard and licked him. So previous they were mocking to him. Previous they were joking to him. But when he fought with bravery, and with his mighty and strength, and then Belinda started to embrace him. And here the mustard also started to lick. Mustard means the dog. Okay. So even after this broad incident, Costa did not give up his cowardice. So, so somehow it fought and somehow it got a victory. And somehow it got victory. Even now he cannot remove his fearness, or he cannot remove his cowardice. So away he still kept on crying for a safe case. So still he is crying for a safe case. So this was the small summary and introduction and I hope you might have understood it very clearly. So I would like to request again, if newly you are watching, please subscribe and share to your friends also. Thank you. May God bless you. In my next video, I will meet with you stanza wise explanation. Okay.